Is the taskbar of your Windows 11 computer not responding, going blank, freezing, or not working at all? No worries, you don't need to ring up tech support because I've got your back. In this video, I'll walk you through fixing these issues. So let's not waste any time and jump right into the solution. Solution 1. Repair Windows system files. To do this, click on the search icon here and type in CMD. Then right-click on Command Prompt from the search result, select Run as Administrator from the menu and click on Yes to give permission. Now in this window, type in sfc/scan now and hit Enter. After that, type in dism/online/cleanup-image/check health and press the Enter key. Next, type dism/online/cleanup-image/scan health and press Enter. Then type in dism/online/cleanup-image/restore health and hit Enter. Don't worry, you can copy these commands from the video description below. Lastly, reboot your computer and see if that did the trick. Solution 2. Restart Windows Explorer. To do this, right-click on the taskbar and select Task Manager from the pop-up menu. Now in the search box, type in Windows Explorer. Then right-click on Windows Explorer Process and select Restart from the context menu. After it's restarted, check if that solved the issue. Solution 3. End processes using the Task Manager. For this, open up the Task Manager just like before. Then switch to the Details tab. Now in the search box, type Runtime Broker and these processes should show up. Right-click on the first one and select End Task from the context menu. Then click End Processes from this pop-up. Do this for the other tasks as well. Next, type in Search Host in the search box. Then right-click on the searchhost.exe and select End Task. After that, click on End Processes from this pop-up. Then type in Shell Experienced Host in the search bar. Now right-click on the shell experienced host.exe and select End Task just like before. Then click on End Processes from this pop-up. Lastly, close the Task Manager and now the taskbar should start working as usual. So that's it. That's how you fix the taskbar not working, blanking, not responding, freezing up issues in Windows 11. If the video saved your day, don't forget to smash that like button. And if you have any questions, drop them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.